In one word, I would sum this as a meaningful course. Overall, this course gives us an overall understanding of the pharmaceutical industry. The professors are great, having industrial background, and the case studies and examples are very relatable to us. The staff is very supportive, good. The 9-day visit was efficiently managed, and of course, whatever we had asked them in these 9 days, they were very supportive, never asked any questions. Whatever we required, they provided us on that day only. Special thanks to Samved, Rahul and Nishi for never having any glitch in this whole Gamba program till now. I would highly recommend this course to all pharmaceutical industry executives, as this gives us an overall perspective of our functions. Looking forward to next residency in Ahmedabad. Thank you. All the best.